Review is one of the cornerstones of an effective VFX pipeline, and in this release, we have implemented the first in a series of improvements to make Nuke Studio review sessions faster and more reactive. We've just opened a project with a fairly large timeline. The first new feature is Auto Select. As we navigate the timeline, the shot under the playhead is auto-selected. Many actions can now be carried out on the shot. For example, here we are disabling the shot with the D hotkey without first having to select the shot. On the next shot, we again use a hotkey to add a grade soft effect. Or we can view versions of a shot. Again, quickly and easily with no mouse interactions. Removing the need to select a shot will greatly speed up operations. The second new feature is multi-playhead. Zooming out, we can see that there are now multiple playheads on the timeline. They can be accessed using the GUI here, or using the 1 to 0 hotkeys. Jumping around the timeline is now much quicker and well controlled, and each playhead can have its own set of in and out points and A/B buffers. This workflow now brings consistency between the node graph and the timeline. In the node graph, the number keys let you connect the viewer to different parts of the node graph, and in the timeline, you can use them to view different parts of your sequence. To compare elements that are stacked on your timeline, we have improved the assigning of the A and B buffers to the corresponding A and B keys. Combined with the auto select feature, we can quickly add shots to the A buffer or the B buffer, which then enables the wipe compare. We've also improved the appearance of the playhead compare controls. The GUI feedback is now easy to see and will help in making your review sessions faster and more efficient. This is just the start of our timeline review improvements, and we'll be adding more in future releases.